Now let me be honest with you. You could take an entire college course just on how to make a good PowerPoint, but if you don't know the content within it, it's not going to be a good presentation. So today, I'll be taking you through the basics of PowerPoint, showing you how you can get the most important content onto your slides and present them in an effective way. First, we will cover the 4 main uses of PowerPoint: adding text, images, new slides, and transitions. We'll start with text. When you start a blank presentation, it'll default to have 2 text boxes. While you can add more and move them around, first let's just talk about simply adding text. To do this, all you have to do is click into the box, type whatever you'd like, and then click out of the box to save. Let's add something here as well. As you can see, the boxes disappear once you've entered text into them, but if you'd like to access it, simply click on the text itself. If you would like to change the font, size, color, or effect of the text, first you must click into the box, highlight the text, then move to the Home tab and go to this box here with all of your font tools. You can change the font using this drop-down, you can change the font size using this one, or you can change the color using this one. You can also make it bold, italic, underlined, or strike through if you prefer. If you would like to add an additional text box, move your cursor up to the top in the ribbon and click Insert. Then move over to the right side and click on Text Box. Your cursor will then change to this line, showing you that you can place the text box wherever you'd like on screen. When you click, a small text box will show up. You can adjust the size freely, or you can type into it to extend the length. Once you've added text to your slide, it's time to add an image. To make room for the image, hold the Control or Command key on your keyboard and select all 3 text boxes. You can now move them in tandem to the top of the screen or bottom, leaving room on the other half for an image. Once you'd like to add an image, go to the Insert button on the ribbon and click Pictures on the left. This will pull up a drop-down box letting you select where the image comes from. We'll do it from this device for now. This will bring up a Files tab letting you pick the image from your computer. Once you've selected an image, click Insert to add it to the slide. Once the image has been added to the slide, go ahead and resize it so that everything fits properly. To do this, click on the image to bring up the resize options. You can use the top, right, bottom, and left circles to morph the image, changing its resolution, although it's recommended that you use the diagonals, which lets you scale down the image but maintain its original resolution. Once you've got it positioned in a way you'd like, make sure that it lines up with all of your text, and then click out to save the options. Once you've created a slide, the next step is to add a second one. To do this, go to the slide bar on the left, right-click, and hit New Slide. Doing this will open up a new slide that has 2 text boxes, but if you right-click on the box that is the slide, you can move down to Layout and select the layout that fits what you'd like the slide to represent. Once you've added a new slide, go ahead and add some text and images. Once you've added text and images to your slide, let's use some advanced techniques to make it look just a little bit better. Go to your title and select all of the text. Then move up to the ribbon and go to the paragraph box and hit Align Center. This will make your title be aligned to the center of the box, making it look more like a title and less like large text. Then, in your list, highlight all of your list items, go back to the ribbon, and select on this bulleted list item. This will put all of the items into a list in which you can edit to make it look more suited to how you'd like to present your presentation. Those are just some quick ways that you can improve the quality of your slides, but for now we'll move on to the 4th part of PowerPoint before wrapping up the video with some tips and tricks to make your PowerPoints look even better. Once you have multiple slides in your PowerPoint, you unlock the ability to add transitions between them. To access them, go to the ribbon and click Transitions. Whenever you're adding a transition to a slide, you first must select the slide that you'd like to add it to. For this one, we'll be adding it to slide 2. Whenever you add a transition to slide 2, it actually plays between slide 1 and 2. A good way to think of this would be slide 1, transition, slide 2, as shown on screen. If I give you a quick preview of what this looks like, starting with slide 1, moving to slide 2, you'll see that it dissolves to the next one. Remember that the PowerPoint presentation should simply be a tool to complement the in-real-life or online presentation you're giving to your class. If you have a certain rhythm you'd like to keep up while you're speaking, you can change the duration of the actual transitions or make it so the slides transition after a certain amount of time using the timing tab in the ribbon. Shortening the transitions will make them run faster, like this, while making them larger will make them run much slower, giving you time to think or process between slides. You can also make it so that every couple minutes the slides will automatically transition if you have a script that you're reading from, but it is recommended that you keep this on mouse click just in case you need a transition ahead of time.